everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I am going to be using my flexi hand and my Blingline hard gel system to create a set of nails. So I've got my Chroma size 8 gel brush, that was from Amazon, and we're going to start with the Blingline Super Bond. So you apply this onto your nail once you have prepped and primed. I'm not going to do that on the nail because it's just the flexi hand. So we're just going to go straight in with the Super Bond. So you saw how little product I had on my brush. You don't need a lot of this at all. You need a smidgen. You need so little product on your brush that when you apply it to the nail, once you've covered the whole nail, if you stroke the brush over the nail, it feels like it drags. I think that makes sense. And you really want to work it into the nail bed. Make sure you get into all the nooks and crannies. This is what's gonna give us like a really good adhesion. But also your nail prep is key as well, and make sure you use your prep step and your ONL primer as well. That's gonna also be a big help. So you can see how little product I've got on there. That's going to cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Then because I'm applying colour, we're going to go in with our Cool One Step Gel. We're going to apply a thin coat of this so that if, hang on, let me just tell you the other colours. We've got Isla. This is a gorgeous metallic white. I absolutely love this colour. Then we have got Lena. This is one of those, it's pink, but when you put it next to like a proper pink, it almost looks like lilac-y, like a purpley pink or lilac-y pink. And then we've got Kayla. This is one of my favorites. Oh my gosh, this is a metallic lilac. Absolutely love this one. Oh, I'd rub myself in that if I could. Then we've got Peg. She's also amazing. She's like a darker pink metallic as well. Very nice. And yeah, so we are going to go in with, the reason we're applying a thin layer of Cool One Step Gel is because if you were doing this on a client, if they wanted to come back in like 2 or 3 weeks for their infill or backfill, whatever you want to call it, if they wanted a new design, you could file down to this clear layer and start again. You see what I mean? So we're going to apply this to the whole nail. And I'm going to carry on doing that. And then I'm going to cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Then this glitter is absolutely stunning. This is called Sugar Shot. This is one of the new Christmas glitters. I absolutely love this one. It's amazing. Look at the colours. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love that. I'm in love with this glitter. So I've put some in a glitter tray so that I can take it out as I want it. For the ring finger, I'm going to apply 2 coats of Isla. This is the metallic white. So now because this is metallic, it's got like a, you'll see where you've rubbed the brush through the gel. So you kind of want to make sure that the lines are all nice and straight. I had a little bit there. I had to get off. Yeah, right, I'm going to cure that in the lamp. Then, no, it's not cured. Right, don't cure that. I'm applying some of the other colours onto my palette. So we're going to pretend we're doing, well, we are going to be doing a marble. But you know like how I do a gel polish marble? I'm going to do that with the hard gel colours here. So I'm applying a very thin line. Almost looks like we're doing something we shouldn't be. Next to each of the other colours. And I'm going to wipe off the little scoopy brush thing when I go into the next colour, because you don't want to contaminate your colours. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my little flat gel brush, and I'm going to run the colour through the uncured Isla, the uncured metallic white. And we're going to create a marble. Now, if you apply too much, you do this wearing gloves though. Don't do it with your naked finger like I did. But if you've applied too much, you can just press your finger up against the side of the nail like that and pull off any excess gel. That's going to stop the nail being sort of lumpy bumpy, and it's going to disperse that marble a bit more. So pop that in a lamp to cure for 60 seconds. then we are going to move on to the rest of the nails. So the pinky is going to be 2 coats of Lena. I love this colour. How nice is that though? I'm going to do another coat, so that is going to really brighten up that colour. The next nail is going to be Isla, which is the metallic white. This one is really nice. I love them all though. I really, every time I get colours, like if I place an order or if they kindly send me any, I'm like, oh, that's my favourite. Oh no, I like that one now. They're just so, and you know what? The amount of colours they have is just crazy. You can get these from the little nail shop, and you can use my discount code NatMug10. But I promise you, if you are a hard gel nail tech and you want to give this system a go, give the little nail shop an email, and they do a come on over course that is absolutely free, and they can do it via Zoom, so it's all done over the internet. You don't have to see anyone, because I know we're just about to go back into lockdown. So yeah, I would thoroughly recommend that, because I've done it myself. It's really good, and Marie and Rachel are lovely. Right, this is the second coat. Sorry, I'm waffling on about they do a full gel tech gel course as well. So if you're not a qualified gel tech, but you want to be qualified in gel, get in contact with a little nail shop. They'll sort you out. They'll hook you up. Right, this is the second coat of Lena. I've gone off on a tangent, haven't I? No, it's not really, because it's still nail related. Oh, dog's barking outside. Right, then the last one I'm going to do is the second coat of Isla. Sorry if you can hear all the barking. The joys of living near a park. Then once I've done that, I'm going to pop all these into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. We're not going to do anything else with that marble nail. That is, you obviously can't put a second coat on because it won't look the same. There we go. I'm going to pop that into the lamp now. Now. No, now. Oh, now my dog's getting all... Oh, he's squeaking at the window. Right, I'm going to put on the pinky, I want to put this Sugar Shot glitter because it's just amazing. This one and Ethereal it's so nice. Right, so I'm dabbing this into that uncured layer of Cool One Step Gel. Make sure it's a thin coat because you don't want to end up with a bulky nail. Which, do you know what, with gel, it's quite difficult to get a bulky nail if you're adding, because your colours are really, your layers are nice and thin. It's not like acrylic. When I first started acrylic, my nails were always bulky, and gel is it's just a pleasure to work with. I'm so glad I've moved to gel. And I know some of you miss my acrylic sets, and I'm really sorry, but I can't do acrylic anymore. So, which is why I've moved to gel. And you know, I wish I'd done it sooner, to be fair. Right, we've cured that in the lamp. Now we are gonna go over again with a thin layer of the Cool One Step Gel, and this is gonna be our slip layer. So we're gonna encapsulate the nail now. So I'm gonna take another bead out of the clear, and I'm gonna start at the back of the nail, at the cuticle area, and I am going to use my brush, and I usually move it like backwards, like from left to right, and I bring it down the nail. Then what I'm going to do is I take the nail off the hand. Oh, it's already off the hand, but I hold it upside down and use my brush to wiggle the gel into place if I've not done a very good job doing this bit, which actually I hadn't done a very good job doing this bit. So I do need to move the, Anyway, when I'm vaguely happy with what I've done, isn't that marble amazing? Oh, the colours are just, mwah, I love them. I popped that one in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. I'm just going to go over, I'm going to do the same thing with this one and show you. This one was too good not to leave off. The marble, I love the marble. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to pillow the product backwards up towards the cuticle and then work it down. make sure you've got your sidewalls covered. And then again, I do just turn it upside down to make sure that my product's all in the right place before I cure it. Then I've gone ahead and done the other nails. Once you cure it, it's going to have a tacky layer. So you want to get rid of that tacky layer before you file the nails. I'm going to be using the Blingline cleanser and the Blingline wipes. I really like the wipes. Do you know what? I thought a wipe was a wipe. Clearly, I've never had pucker wipes before because I really like these wipes. I know I'm a bit of a weirdo, but yeah. So I filed them. I don't show you me filing. I filed them. I'm going to go ahead now and just clean off any dust because I did get them a little bit. I like to file them away from my flexi hand because it's a pain with all the dust, but I did manage to get some dust on the hand this time. So I take the nails out, by the way, and file them. Right, so we are ready to top coat. I'm going to be using the Blingline wet finish to top coat. Ignore the middle finger. I put fairy flakes on them, but I don't like them over white because it makes them look creamy, which is fine if you're doing like a wedding set and you want like cream coloured nails. But I didn't. I wanted white, and I don't like it, so I do remove that in a minute. So just ignore that. I'm using the wet finish on my brush. And we're just going to give the nails just a nice even coat. Don't make it too thick, but don't make it too thin. Just, yeah, the right amount. And then cure it in the lamp. Okay, ignore me doing this one. In fact, I should have cut this bit out. The fairy flakes are absolutely amazing, though, I will say. If you do them on a dark colour, like a black or a dark blue, it almost looks like a galaxy. Oh, they're so nice. But not, they weren't right for this set. So I filed it all off. I filed it off, and we're now back to where we started. I'm using the Blingline tack free finish for this because I want to put the Aurora Magic pigment from Nail Sugar on this nail instead. I wanted to see what it looked like over the metallic white. I've got a frog in my throat. And it looked better than the fairy flakes, I think, but after doing this, I definitely prefer the Aurora Magic pigment on a plain white nail, not metallic. Yeah, not metallic, just plain white. It goes onto a cured non-white top coat. What I like to do is rub it in with my finger. You can rub it in with an eyeshadow applicator or a silicone tool. I just prefer using my finger. Bing, bing. So now as soon as it comes out the lamp, rub it in while it's still nice and warm. And you get this really gorgeous, like a pinky green shimmer. It's really nice, but it didn't do it justice on this nail. Doesn't do it justice. But to be fair, I don't think the pigments are on the website at the moment. I can't remember what Karen said, but the pigments will be back, but not all the pigments. But pigments will be back on the website soonish. But I can't remember what she said. I'm so sorry. But if you're in the Nail Sugar group, come in the group. If you want pigments, just ask, and we'll be able to find out from Karen when they're back. I am going over now with the tack-free finish. I'm just going to seal all that pigment in. I did brush off any excess using my fluffy brush, which I love. Oh, the dog smelt a dog treat in my pocket. He's trying to get to my coat. I put my coat on my bed for some reason. That's a bit weird. I usually hang it up. Okay, see, it looks nice, but I think it looks nicer on plain white. Anyway, the wet finish will have a tacky layer. So we're going to... I need to cough. We're going to rub off that tacky layer. With the wet finish, wait for the nail to cool down and then rub it off. And yeah. Oh, and I done this 3D embossed kind of design using the 3D gel stuff here. And I forgot to record it, but it had a tacky layer, so I'm just wiping off the tacky layer. So I've got that on that nail. And then on this nail, I thought, you know what, we're going to add some crystals. We're going to go the whole hog. We've got glitter, we've got marble, we've got a little embossed design. We've got pigments, and we're going to have crystals as well, because you know what, we might as well just go nuts. So I'm using, these are Preciosa Rose SS16 pointy backed crystals. All the crystals I use are from the Crystal Parade at the minute. They're beautiful. They're lovely. I absolutely love them. My dog's trying to get in my pocket. Ted, stop. I'm putting a little cluster of these at the cuticle area. I'm going to get that treat out and give him the treat. There's only one left in there. I had to take my dad's dog to the vet last night. Here you are, look. There you go. Oh, he's such a gannet, my dog. Oh, I missed these. I missed what that was. Oh, this is the clear. No, it's not. Right, this is a little charm that I had left over from Nail Sugar. I don't know if they're on the website this Christmas. But the other crystals, I believe, were my clear Preciosa crystals in mixed sizes. Yeah, these ones. Now, if you put too much gem glue on like I did, once you put your crystals on, if the gem glue floods out a little bit, you want to take advantage of that. And if you're going to apply caviar beads, apply it into that flooded gel. Because if I cure this now, and then I go to add, can you see the gel is sort of popped out a bit? If I cure this and then go to add more gel on, your design is just going to look, it's going to look a bit, it's, you know, going to start to look bulky. So I'm going to place my silver, these silver caviar beads are from the Crystal Parade as well. I'm going to place them into that gel. And then they're going to cure in there nicely, and the design is not going to start to look bulky because you don't want that. Okay, so now I'm happy. I'm going to pop that in the lamp to flash cure. I love that little snowflake. I thought the snowflake would give this set of nails a winter feel. I've got also Preciosa fuchsia round flat backs. There's mixed sizes in this pot. I'm going to apply some of those to this design as well. I wanted to use some of the bigger ones on the sides here. I can't remember if they were I think they were SS12s, or they might have been SS16s. I can't remember, but yeah. But they're fuchsia and they're Preciosa. I know that much. Oh, dearie me. I'm going to add a little one at the bottom. And I'm going to cure that in the lamp. Then I'm just going to add some more caviar beads to this, and then I will show you the finished set. So this is it. Look at the glitter. Oh my god, it's so nice. And the marble, I think that is, I don't know if it's my favorite marble, but it's up there with the marbles. And then the crystals and that little embossed design. I love it. I love these so much. So all the websites and discount codes will be in the description box below if you want to get some money off. Thank you for watching, and I will see you beautiful lot tomorrow with another video. Yes, tomorrow with another video. Okay, love you all. Bye.